Hello my friends, happy holidays. Today my friends, we are making a holiday special. We are making a French toast, an eggnog French toast filled with so many wonderful flavors, and of course eggnog is really simple and delicious, perfect for the holiday season. You can make it in advance, you can make it for a potluck, you can make it for your family. It's amazing, and I'm going to show you how I prepare it. So now let's begin. And here are the simple ingredients. I have 2 large eggs. I have 1 cup of my store brand eggnog, which you can use your favorite store brand. I have here 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and a half a teaspoon of allspice. We're just gonna amp up the delicious flavors of the holidays with this. And then I have 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, and all we're gonna need is butter for the pan. And right here is brioche bread. Mine local supermarket came in the brioche in slices, so I bought them. They look so fantastic and buttery. You're gonna want to use whatever sliced bread you prefer to use. It's better to use a day-old bread, or put the loaf of bread in the freezer actually for like 24 hours, and the next day it gets sort of like how day-old bread feels, a little stale when you defrost your bread. And there you go, perfect bread to use for French toast. Now let's begin. Okay my friends, so make sure you have a big dish. I'm just using my pie dish because it's big and it's wide. So I have my 2 eggs. Like I said, I just want to amp up the flavor of my holiday kind of feel breakfasty French toast. Simply delicious, man. I mean, my family loves it, and I just decided to share with you guys. So I'm just mixing in the eggs really quick. I'm gonna put my spices in. You can leave them out if you want, and you can add more or less. This is according to taste. Pretty simple. And give it a good beat to make sure that everything is well incorporated. Then I'm going to put in the brown sugar. Yes. It's going to be delicious. Alright, after mixing everything through, making sure that you break apart the brown sugar because it tends to clump up, we're going to add in our eggnog. Yes. So good. Smells like the holidays already. So I'm going to mix this through, and I'm going to get a pan nice and heated up with some butter inside. And we are going to cook these bad boys really quick. Alright, so you can use one at a time or whatever you like. And just make sure everything gets a nice good soak for a second or 2. And then we're going to begin to cook them. Alright, so my pan is nice and hot. I'm going to put some butter. And this is just regular salted butter. You can use whatever you like. Non-salted, salted, whatever you feel comfortable with. Get that nice and hot and melt it. Then we're going to put our lovely breads in here. Yum. Okay. It's going to take a few minutes on each side, and I'm going to show you how they look. Alright my friends, I done the rest of my French toast, and now I'm going to take the last one out, and look how amazing that one looks. Wow. Delicious my friends. And now let's do taste test. Alright my friends, now it's time to eat, the best part of the video. Now I didn't put any syrup in mine, because sometimes I like it with it or without it, but I know it's going to be scrumptious. It smells so good. I think it doesn't need any syrup because it's lightly sweetened, and you taste all the spices, and it's phenomenal. If you want to add syrup in it, you can, if you have like a little sweet tooth, or sprinkle a little powdered sugar on it, and it will be amazing. Delicious. Simply divine. Oh, so good. You will absolutely love it. Thank you so much for joining me today in my kitchen. Give this French toast a try. Simply delicious and amazing and easy. Full of flavors your family's going to love. And it just feels like the holidays around here. Thank you once again. Don't forget, I have my social media sites. I will leave everything in the link in the description box below. And I will see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.